Alright, so I was cooking, I was using my crock pot with my roommate Matt,
Hello.
and I was making sausage and peppers. And I asked him to turn it off at around 11. He waited until midnight, not important. And when I woke up at 7, this is what my sausage and peppers looks like. I'm taking this video later, about 14 hours later, but it looked like this when I woke up. I don't really know what happened, but I've eaten some of it and it tastes edible.
It's edible.
I can't imagine that if the sausages were whole it would taste much different, but you know, being able to eat those julienne peppers would be okay.
Yeah, it would be nice.
Beautifully julienne.
Mm-hmm.
As we all know, I'm an expert knifesman. So, you know, this is not a small amount.
It's like a pound or two.
So, I'm going to send a picture to my dad. Because he got me this crock pot for Christmas, but this is an abomination.